guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to get into today's video. It's going to be my room tour. I think I posted the first video of like my room decoration probably like 4 weeks ago, you know, now. So I've been slacking a little bit. I'm almost there. There's still some finishing touches. If you guys have ever like refurbished your house or a bedroom, you'll know as you go along, you're like, oh, that would look cute there, oh, that would look cute there. So there's always going to be little finishing touches that I want to add in here, but I'm kind of at a point where I can show you. I've got most of the stuff. There are a few little bits missing, but I will talk you through them as I go around the room, you know. I did just want to point out that some of these items in this video were really kind of gifted to me by Desenio, but that does mean that I have a discount code for you guys. So they have been really kind to give me a 25% off discount code, so I'll leave it on the screen. It's just ASHLEIGHSAMANTHA. That doesn't include personalised prints or frames. If there are any other terms and conditions, I will leave in the description box for you or on the screen somewhere here. I literally love everything on their website. They do the nicest prints, so many different vibes as well. I've kind of gone for more neutral. Have I hung one upside down? I have. I'm just looking at one of my prints. I've hung one upside down, so I'm going to change that in a minute. But yeah, I've gone for more of a neutral sort of vibe, but then I've also got some prints for our front room and our hallway, which I will also include in this video because I feel like you guys need to see them. Yeah, and it's a different vibe. It kind of gives you a better idea of the sorts of things that they do. I did also get frames from them as well as prints, so I will show you those as well. I feel like at the minute all you can see is this mess on my door, which is all of my dressing gowns. I have about 12, but look, I have so many different reasons for a dressing gown. You girls will probably know I have like a winter one, a tanning one, a summer's day one, a more glam one. So sorry about that on my door, but I think let's just stop blabbering and jump straight into it. Okay, so I feel like this really isn't the most flattering angle for me, so excuse the chins, but this is the first print that I picked out. I absolutely love this one, and I have got one on the other side of the bed as well, which I will show you in a minute. I just kind of wanted to add a little bit of blush pink into the room because it is very neutral in here. So I wanted to add a splash of colour, but nothing too crazy. So I really loved this one. And then on this wall, you can probably see here, I'll show you a close-up, I've got two prints as well. Okay, so these are the two smaller prints that I picked out to go on this wall. I think they just really complement each other, all being next to each other, because I've got a floral pattern here, which adds a little bit of colour to the room. And then I did want a saying, and then also just this black and white, like beachy seaside sort of theme. I really loved that. So this one here just says, your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. It's going to be one of the first things that I see when I get out of the bed in the morning. So I thought, why not start off with a positive quote, you know? I really love this little corner. I think together it looks really lovely, and as I say, it adds a little bit more colour into the room. I did go for the gold frames just because we do have other gold accessories in this room, which I will go into further detail in a moment. I just think it really complemented, and it's exactly the same gold as everything else we have in here, so it's gone really perfectly. Then on this side of the room, I've got another rose print. This is pretty much exactly the same as the other one, slightly different. It's more of like a zoomed out version, I would say, and again, it just kind of ties the blush pink into the room, which I like because, as I've said, it's very neutral in here, so we needed a little bit of colour. These ones are 50 by 70, and then the smaller ones that I've already shown you are 30 by 40. The one in the hallway that we picked out is also 50 by 70, and then I got various sizes for the ones in the living room. So I will leave all of the prints and frames that we picked out down below for you guys, just so you can check them out as well. Obviously you can see the ones that we've got in our front room especially are a completely different vibe. I don't actually have frames for those ones yet, hence why they're not on the wall, but I thought I'd show you anyway. And then I absolutely love this one in the hallway. I think it's just stunning. I was contemplating putting it in the bedroom, but I didn't want it to be too overwhelming with too many big prints. So yeah, I really love all of the ones that we've picked out. If you guys do like any of those or any others on the website, then you can use the 25% off code. Okay, so I feel like this video is going to include some interesting angles, so excuse that. But I did actually include these drawers in my last renovation vlog, and you guys loved them. So these were just from IKEA, but the handles were completely different. So these handles that are on here now, I did actually also just buy them from IKEA. I will leave both of these linked down below for you guys. So these drawers do actually just come with black handles normally, but obviously, as I showed you with the frames, we've got a lot of gold going on this room, so yeah, I thought it would just jazz them up a little bit. And I think, to be honest, it makes them look quite a bit more expensive. I really love like the paneling on these drawers as well, and I'm pretty sure they do wardrobes really similar to this in IKEA as well, so very tempting to get those because I do think it looks really nice. So just to give you guys a closer look, they look like this. I personally think they're really lovely, and they were quite affordable. I think they were like £100 per drawer set, and then obviously I had to buy the gold handles as well, but I do think they're lovely, and they're literally the exact match for the frames, which is great. And then on top of the drawers, we just have these lights from Matalan. I really like these. They are quite bulky, so I don't think they're going to be for everyone. But I personally just really liked the gold, and then I love this like black and white marble base. The only thing is, these have been a nightmare to try and find a bulb for. So I think after filming this, I'm going to pop on Amazon and see if I can find it, because surely it cannot be that difficult. But we've tried 2 different bulbs now, and they don't fit, so a bit annoying. But then also on top of these drawers, we've got this candle. This smells insane. It's coconut and pineapple, so it kind of just smells like holiday, which is great. Obviously it's a bit too warm to have a candle lit right now. It's still really hot outside. Again, this one was from Matalan, and I think it was about £7, so I will try and link that down below. And then we just have these little baskets, because I always find that I need to put stuff on my drawers, but I want it to be a bit more tidy. So these were actually from Primark, and they came in like a set of 3, and I'm pretty sure they were £4. Obviously, I can't leave those linked down below for you guys, but if you can find them, really recommend. They fit a lot in them. Okay, and then moving around here to our wardrobes, I actually am going to go to IKEA tonight and change these handles to the same as the bedside table ones, because you can actually get them in the bigger size. So I will pop those on my story so you guys can see what they look like. I think, again, little details like that, you don't necessarily have to buy all new furniture, but you can really like do it up and make it look new. So I'm excited for that. Like I say, I will update you on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram here for you guys. Actually, you can't see my hand in the mirror. Yeah, because I don't think I said that at the beginning. And then moving around to here, I've got this faux sheepskin rug. I think this was literally like £6, and it's made from recycled bottles, which I thought was really cool. And then this mirror, I really cannot recommend this mirror enough. I'm pretty sure it was £40. At first I wasn't sure if it was going to be big enough. It is quite a big mirror, but they do one that is a lot bigger, so I kind of wanted that one, but it was £90. So instead I went for this one. I did just get it in the white, but they did it in a wood effect or a black as well. But yeah, it's a perfect size for like outfit pictures. I've got mine lent, so I feel like that's better, because obviously then you get a little bit more height. But yeah, really recommend this one, especially for the price. It's a really lovely mirror. By the way, this is one of the things I was on about that we haven't quite finished. We've got a missing door handle, which is always handy. Okay, and then if this is the first time that you've been here, we actually live in a flat, and we have storage heater radiators. You can probably see it like peeking through. Well, you can see it, but it looks a lot better than when they are just out on their own. So we got this radiator cover. This was actually from Amazon. I wasn't sure if it was going to be deep enough, because if you guys have storage heaters, you'll know they're quite deep. But yeah, it fits really nicely. I think it was literally like £30, so we're going to get some more to go around the flat, because I think it makes it look so much nicer. And then obviously you can put stuff on the ledge of it as well. I've just popped on these 3 frames. Obviously these need to be filled. These were from HomeSense, I believe, and I think they were £4.99 each. And then this one was from The Range, and then I've just got a picture of our wedding day in there, which is lovely. So yeah, really recommend these if you guys are looking for a radiator cover. They did them in so many different sizes as well. Okay, and then I'm going to turn back this way and show you guys our bed, because this is the whole reason that we started the refurb. Over lockdown, I was like, Sean, look, I really want a new bed, and I've seen this one with a really tall headboard, and he was like, do we need a new bed? And I was like, yes. So here we are. I love this. I think this is from Fairmount Bespokes. I will leave their Instagram tag below. But it is meant to be taller than this, but the legs on it were chrome, and obviously everything else in this room is gold. So yeah, we left the legs off, so it's a little bit shorter than it should be, but I absolutely love it. I must say as well, the quality of it is lovely. Like, it's a really thick headboard, and you can feel like it's really good quality. Just to show you guys from the side. So yeah, I love this, really recommend. We did get it in a king size too, which again, I was so happy about, because we had a double before. So yeah, love our bed. We did get the mattress from there as well. Wasn't gifted or anything like that. I am doing a collaboration with Arisa Living, but that's actually going to go in our spare room, so I can't wait to show you guys that room transformation as well. The bedding that is on our bed is actually from Matalan. I love this. So it is a waffle bedding, but it's a bit more of like a different waffle. Hopefully you guys can see, like, it's got a slightly different texture to it, which I really liked. And then our fro is just from Primark. This is what I was saying about the blush pink. So I feel like the fro and the Desenio prints really tie in together. And then this is one part of the bed that Sean really doesn't like, is the cushions. So the white ones are from Primark, and then the two like creamier ones are both from Matalan. I did kind of trick him into buying those because I said, look, we can send one back, like let's just see which one we prefer. Obviously I wanted to keep both. So yeah, they're both on the bed. I personally think it makes a room look so much more homely, and it kind of adds something to it. So yeah, I personally love the look of loads of different cushions. I actually want to get some different ones on there. I've seen some really nice like cream tassel-y ones that I love, so might also buy those. So this ottoman box was also from Fairmount Bespokes. We chose to add this onto our order. I'm so glad we've got this because you can actually get loads in here, and it is like a gas lift storage. So we just put in all of our spare bedding, some pillows, a spare duvet, little teddies and stuff, which I just find so handy because if this wasn't in here, it would kind of just be laying around. Obviously we live in a flat. So yeah, I really like this, and it kind of like doubles up as a little window seat as well, which I love. Really recommend these. The material is lovely and the quality just feels really, really great. I wasn't sure what this was actually going to look like, but yeah, I really love it. I think it actually looks a lot more expensive than what it was. Okay, and then another one of my favourite features of this room is actually these curtains. I knew when we started decorating that I really wanted floor length curtains, but curtains are so expensive. Like, it's one of those adult items that I hate paying for because they're just crazy expensive. But I actually found these ones in IKEA, and I'm pretty sure they were £25 for the pair, which is so good because they are blackout curtains as well. Hopefully you guys can see. They've got this like double layered feature, so you can't see through them. I'm not gonna lie, we never shut our curtains. Like, I hate the look of shut curtains. Is that weird? I feel like it is. And then I got this gold curtain pole from B&Q, I think it was, which again I think was like £12. And then it just comes with these like classic ball ends, which I think is really nice. It's simplistic, and the gold again just kind of ties in with everything. These little rope ties as well are also from the range, I believe. I really love the rope ties because one, as I say, we don't close the curtains, and secondly, because we've got the ottoman box in the middle, I feel like it kind of makes it into a little feature. So yeah, really love the curtains and how this looks. Okay, so on to my little bedside table. Nothing really interesting on here. Again, just these two little baskets. These were from Primark. They were the ones that actually came in the set of 3 with the bigger one I showed you earlier. And then I've got this tea light holder. I got that off Amazon. I'm going to try and leave everything that I can linked down below for you guys. Again, the same bedside table lamp. And then I have my little getting stuff done planner. Goes really well with my aesthetic as well, so I had to get that when I saw that. By the way, you can get these a lot cheaper on Amazon, so yeah, try and get your hands on those. Yeah, that is pretty much our room. I will show you the floor now, although I did show the floor in the last renovation vlog, but I love our flooring. I think it looks so much more expensive than what it is. It was from B&Q. You probably would have already spotted it when I showed you in the mirror, but it is literally just this. It's almost like a creamy whitey grey laminate flooring. I really love all the little knots and stuff in it. As I say, it's quite a wide plank, so I think it looks more expensive than it was. I'm pretty sure it was about 15-ish pound a pack, which I think is quite good. I think we needed about 4 packs to do this whole bedroom, which, let me tell you, again, is another one of those things that are so expensive. So that was actually a lot cheaper than a few other places that we looked at.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Okay guys, so that is our our finished bedroom. I really hope that you do like it. I personally love it. As I said, there are a few bits that aren't finished, but it's just one of those things. I don't know if you guys saw, you probably can't see from there, but yeah, we don't have our chandelier pendant, is that what it's called, up yet. So that's annoying, and we also need a shelf for our skybox, and then there is going to be a unit in this corner where the wires that you would have seen are, so they will be covered. But yeah, I am really happy with how it's turned out so far. As I say, I probably will play around with some stuff, move some bits around, because yeah, I feel like that's just the way it goes when you are redecorating, because obviously you kind of learn as you go. But as I say, I really hope you guys did enjoy it. I'm kind of on the fence of making a home account, because I do really like home accounts. So if you guys do think I should do that, then please let me know down below. I am going to leave my Instagram on the screen here for you guys. And if you aren't already subscribed, I'd love it so much for you to stick around. I am going to try and do some more home content, because obviously we're going to be doing up the flat a little bit more, and we are hoping to move next year. So there could be some moving vlogs and stuff coming your way. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I will leave my Desenio code on the screen for you guys. It will get you 25% off. Let me know if you do use it over on Instagram. I'd love to see what you guys pick out. I'm so nosy, but I love to know what you guys like as well, so feel free to do that. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.